In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome on Windows. Whether you're trying to get a smoother browsing experience or you've encountered websites that need cookies to function properly, enabling cookies is a straightforward process that you can easily accomplish in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First, begin by opening up Google Chrome on your Windows computer. Once you have Chrome open, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. Here, you'll see three vertical dots, which we often refer to as the menu button. Clicking this icon will open a menu that provides you with several options. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Settings. Doing so will open the settings page where you can configure various aspects of Chrome to suit your preferences. It's always good to know where this is, as it provides access to many useful customization elements. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll notice a sidebar. Among the options listed there, go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. This section is particularly relevant because it deals with how your data is handled, stored, and protected when using Chrome. Managing your privacy settings effectively can enhance your browsing experience and help maintain your online security. After entering the privacy and security settings, you'll see a variety of options related to data management and privacy safeguarding. Look for the option labeled Third-Party Cookies. When you click on it, you'll be taken to a section where you can manage your cookie preferences for third-party websites. Now, if you've stumbled upon the issue of needing cookies enabled across all websites, here's what you can do next. You should see an option that says, Allow Third-Party Cookies. By selecting this, you're permitting cookies from all websites, which can allow for a more seamless interaction with sites that rely on cookie data to provide full functionality. However, keep in mind that allowing third-party cookies might also mean that data can be shared between different websites, so weigh this choice according to your own privacy preferences. And there you have it. You've now successfully enabled cookies on Google Chrome. Remember, if you ever wish to change these settings, or if you're troubleshooting browsing issues, you can always revisit these settings in your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough helped you navigate through Chrome settings with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials. Happy browsing!